that is designed to give effect to the provisions of the ownership policy.
Now, in an effort to increase investments within the agriculture sector in Kenya, U.S. investors are exploring the Kenyan avocado market. Now, with this development, Avoveg Health is pushing for value addition and innovative agricultural practices in avocado export market. U.S. investors led by Olubumni Jinadu have noted that investments in the avocado market will benefit Kenyan farmers and the economy at large.
We have a lot of losses in terms of post-harvest losses in avocado in our industry. So we are looking to go that extra mile in value addition. So we are thinking in the lines of avocado oil processed. A lot of our oil goes out, is exported as crude oil. So we are looking to go that extra mile and process the avocado oil, as well as do guacamole, which will be the first in East Africa. If we have those export processing zones that they're talking about, because we are looking to move out the traditional farming areas, Murang'a, Nyeri, Central Kenya. So if we have collection centers in other regions, we will be able to at least grow this market.
I know Kenyans are highly educated people, and here in this market you have a highly skilled labor market. Okay. However, what you may not have is the marketing, and for the rest of the world to know the potential of Kenyans and Kenyans business owners and Kenya as a country itself.
Now, in an effort to stop cattle rustling and